Welcome to the Dan's Performance Parts YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos, and feel free to leave a comment below. Are you just fed up with that old generator not keeping up with charging your battery up anymore? Well, replace that old 12-volt generator setup with an all-new high-charging Empi Alternator conversion kit. Empi's alternator conversion kit will come complete with an all-new 55-amp alternator that has a built-in voltage regulator for easy installation. The conversion kit will also include a new cast aluminum alternator stand, alternator strap, gold zinc plated 12-volt pulley, V-grooved fan belt, and a black 3-piece alternator backing plate set. This kit will be a great choice if you're planning on adding any higher electrical load demands such as a big stereo system and amps or extra driving lights. Plus, this kit is a great start for converting a 6-volt system to a 12-volt system as well. Be sure to check out all of Empi's alternator kits and pricing at the links listed in the description below. Also, be sure to check out Dan's Performance Parts' complete line of VW parts and accessories tailored to Volkswagen air-cooled enthusiasts. Plus, Dan's Performance Parts is a premier supplier of parts and accessories geared toward Manx-style, fiberglass cars, dune buggies, sand rails, Baja bugs, drag or street performance cars, vintage VW and classic air-cooled vehicles. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of our new product releases and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you real soon.